9 hikers, one mountain, and a mystery buried in the snow for more than 60 years. What happened on that frozen night in 1959 is so strange that even the Soviet Union couldn't hide it. This was no ordinary hiking trip. Igor Dyatlov, a top engineering student, led 8 experienced hikers into Russia's Ural Mountains. They were strong, well-trained, perfectly equipped. Their goal? Reach Mount Otorten, a place the native Mansi people called "Don't Go There." On February 1st, the weather turned brutal. Winds screamed. Temperatures dropped below -30. The group pitched their tent on the slope of Kholat Syakhl, the mountain of death. That night, something came for them. Weeks later, rescuers found the tent, but not the way they expected. It was cut open from the inside. The hikers ran out without boots, without coats, into the deadly snow. 2 bodies were found under a cedar tree, barefoot, burned by a fire they desperately tried to make. 3 more were scattered between the tent and the forest, frozen while trying to crawl back. But 4 hikers were found in a ravine, and their deaths defied all explanation. 1 had a fractured skull. 2 had broken ribs crushed inward with force equal to a car crash, but no external wounds. Another had her tongue missing, and fragments of radioactive clothing raised more questions than answers. The official explanation? An avalanche, but experts say the slope was too gentle. No avalanche traces were ever found. Others blame secret Soviet military tests, parachute mines exploding in the night. But the injuries didn't match. Some believe a creature attacked them. Others say infrasound, deep frequencies that cause panic. And the Mansi people whisper that the mountain takes what it wants. The truth died with the hikers. Something terrified 9 trained mountaineers so badly that they ran into the blizzard, into darkness, into death. More than 6 decades later, Dyatlov Pass remains one of the strangest unsolved mysteries in human history, and the mountain still keeps its secrets buried under the ice. You've just heard another strange chapter from history. Now tell me, what's your opinion? Do you think the story hides more than we know? Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us a story you want to hear next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me in the next mystery.